Huge news for Kishu Inu. Will AliExpress start accepting Kishu Inu? But first, let's take a look at the price. So price change in the last 24 hours, we are down by 0.73% guys. It is not that much considering the whole market is down. So Kishu Inu is still doing great. So trading volume in the last 24 hours, we are up by 51% guys. Great to see. And also we are down from the all-time high by 91% guys. Great time to be buying Kishu Inu. So as I said, if we look at the whole market, everything is down guys. We are down by 5.24% in the last day. And as I always say, pay attention to what Bitcoin does, because most of the time all the other coins will follow. So guys, a lot of people have been asking me where they can purchase Kishu Inu. So here you go. I am always taking care of my subscribers, so smash that like button for me please, it helps me a lot. So if we go down here on CoinMarketCap, we can see all markets. So click on that and then there we have it guys, all the exchanges that you can purchase Kishu Inu on. I would personally recommend OK Exchange and Gate.io, really good exchanges, and confidence in those are very high according to CoinMarketCap. Always pay attention to the confidence here guys when purchasing crypto. So everyone, let's move on to the great news. Today Kishu Inu takes yet another step forward in delivering real world utility. You can now use Kishu to purchase at Amazon, eBay and other major retailers thanks to shopping.io. This is great for Kishu Inu guys. It brings more utility for the token and that's what is going to drive the price up. So the next thing I am going to show you, I have not seen any other YouTuber talk about. So if we go on to shopping.io website, here we have it guys. Coming soon, AliExpress. Does this mean AliExpress will accept Kishu Inu as a form of payment? This would be huge guys, huge. Think about it. Most of the people who shop on AliExpress buy in bulk. Now imagine if those people used Kishu as a form of currency. Kishu Inu would totally explode. Let me know your thoughts on this guys in the comments down below. Do you think AliExpress will start accepting Kishu Inu as a form of payment? If we go back to Twitter, we have another exchange listing. MEXC is listing Kishu Inu on their exchange guys. This was requested by the Kishu Inu community. Great to see the team is listening to the community. This is very important. To sum it up guys, Kishu is growing so much each day with all the influencers. For those of you who don't know, Ronaldinho and Marcelo are their top influencers, and now the real world utility. So what started as a meme coin seems to turn into a real project. In my opinion guys, Kishu Inu is a great project to invest. That is all for the updates today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't sell one of your kidneys to invest into cryptocurrency. One more video will be on the screen. See you guys there.